Hello viewers, welcome in Archelo Foundation. In this video, we will solve important case laws. All these case laws I selected from the previous year question papers. It means 1996 to till the date. If you will solve all these questions, you will definitely find many questions, approx 70 to 80% questions in your judicial service examination. And friends, it's my request to you, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share also. So friends, let's start the video. Important case laws. In this video we will solve 43 to next question. Let's start. Question number 43. Creamy layer rule excluding the wall placed member of a caste from reservation was first laid down in the case of. These are options. Option A, Ashok Kumar Thakur versus State of Bihar. Option B, Menka Gandhi versus Union of India. Option C, Indira Sahani versus Union of India. Option D, Minerva Mills versus Union of India. So friends, what is the answer of this question? C is the correct answer. And this question, we select this question from the UP Judicial Service 2006 question paper. Next question 44. In which case the Supreme Court of India directed that government to implement the law against female pesticide with full determination? Question mark. Options: Parents Association versus Union of India. Option B, Madhu Kishore versus State of Bihar. Option C, Chehat versus Union of India. Option D, Nishi Maghu versus State of J&K. So, answer of this question B is the correct answer. Madhu Kishore versus State of Bihar. And this question also I select from UP Judicial Service 2006. Next question. Question number 45. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court pierced the well of the corruption personality? These are options: Solomon versus Solomon case, Smith Stone and Knight's case. Option C, Daimler Company versus Continental Tire. Option D, People's Pleasure Park Company versus Rohelder case. So friends, what is the answer of question number 45? C is the correct answer. Daimler Company versus Continental Tires. This question also from the UP Judicial Service 2006. Now, question number 46. After which one of the following Supreme Court decision was special provisions, specifically and educationally backward classes introduced by an amendment of the Constitution of India? Question mark. DP Joshi versus State of Madhya Bharat. Option B, MR Balaji versus State of Mysore. Option C, State of Madras versus Champakam Dora Rajan. Option D, T Devdasan versus Union of India. So friends, what is the correct answer of this question? Let's see. State of Madras versus Champakam. And I select this question from the UP Judicial Service 2006. Now question number. The law declared by the Supreme Court of India is binding on all courts within the territory of India. But the Supreme Court is not bound by its decision was decided by the Supreme Court itself in. Option A, Keswanand Bharati versus State of Kerala. Option B, Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Rajnaran. Option C, Madhav Rao Sindhia versus Union of India. Option D, Bengal Immunity Corporation Limited versus State of Bihar. So friends, what is the answer of this question? Bengal Immunity Corporation Limited versus State of Bihar. And this question also selected from the UP Judicial Service 2006. Now we are going for next question. Question number 48. Death sentence should be awarded in the rarest of rare cases was held in option A. Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. Option B. Rameswar versus State of Punjab. Option C. TV Vanthi Sarwan versus State of Tamil Nadu. Option D. State of UP versus MK Anthony. So, what is the answer of this question? A is the correct answer. Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. Friends, this question I select from the UP APO examination 2006. Now we are going for next question. Question number 49. Right to live with human dignity was does not include right to terminate life was held in option A. P. Rathinam versus Union of India. Option B. Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. Option C. Rajendra Prasad versus State of UP. Option D. Machi Singh versus State of Punjab. So, what is the correct answer of this question? B is the correct answer. Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. And this question also selected from the UP APO examination 2006. Now we are going for next questions. Question number 50. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court has observed that there is no right to private defense against the right of private defense? Option A. State of Punjab versus Sohan Singh. Option B. Surjit Singh versus State of Punjab. Option C. State of UP versus Ram Sarup. Option D. MR Singh versus State of Gujarat. What is the answer of question number 50? C is the correct answer. State of UP versus Ram Sarup. And this question also selected from the UP APO examination 2006. Now, question number 51. Which one of the following cases is related to defective investigation? Option A. DK Basu versus State of West Bengal. Option B. Zahira Habibullah Sheikh versus State of Gujarat. Option C. Sakshi versus Union of India. Option D. Dipesh Chandak versus Union of India. And answer is C. Zahira Habibullah Sheikh versus State of Gujarat. And this question also selected from the UP APO examination 2006. Now we are going for next question. Question number 52. The object of proceeding under section 145 CRPC is to ward off danger of breach of peace and not to determine the title. It was observed in the case of Union of India versus Ajib Hussain Khatun. Option B. Nandiram versus Chandiram. Option C. Roshan Lal versus State. And option D. Ramadeen versus Shyama Devi. So what is the answer of question number 52? A is the correct answer. Union of India versus Ajib Hussain Khatun. And this question also selected from UP APO examination 2006. Next, question number 53. In which of the following cases it was held that provision of chapter 8 of CRPC being in public interest are not violate of the article 19 of the Constitution of India? A. Ramcharan versus State. Option B. Shiva Narayan versus Banmali. Option C. Madhu Limbai versus SDM Monger. Option D. Ram Prasad versus Emperor. So friends, what is the answer of this question? Madhu Limbai versus SDM Monger. And I select this question from the UPAP examination 2006. Now we are going for next question, question number 54. In which of the following decision it was laid down that accused cannot use the case diary? Question mark. Neither the accused nor his counsel can requisition the case diary and they cannot claim to go through it. UP State versus Harish Chandra Singh. Option B. Arya Veer Saxena versus State, and option D, State of Kerala versus Amini and others. Option D, Mukul Chandu Lal versus Union of India. In which case, Supreme Court decided that accused and nor his counsel can't use case diary. So what is the answer of this question? D is the correct answer. Mukul Chandu Lal versus Union of India. And I select this question from the UPAP examination 2006. Next, question number 55. Confession can be result of self-talk. Communication of confession to another person is not necessary was held in the case of option A. Sankaria versus State of Rajasthan. Option B. Bhutta Singh versus State of Punjab. Option C. Sahu versus State of UP. Option D. Nishikant Jha versus State of Bihar. So friends, what is the correct answer of this question? Sahu versus State of UP is the correct answer, and this question selected from the UPAP examination 2006. Next question, question number 56. Principle of vicarious liability was first time decided in the case of option A R versus Hugnes, option B R versus Stephens, option C R versus Telson, option D R versus Prince. In which case decided vicarious liability in the first time? What is the answer? R versus Hugnes is the correct answer, and this question also selected from the UPAP examination 2006. Now we are going for next question. Now question number 57. Which of the following is a leading case on intoxication? Option A. Nathulal versus State of MP. Option B. Director Public Prosecution versus Beard. Option C. Barrow versus Lashas. Option D. None of the above. So what is the answer of this question? B is the correct answer. Director Public Prosecution versus Beard. And this question also selected from the UPAP examination. Now question number 58. Which is case of injuria sine damnum? Option A. Ashby versus White. Option B. Winterbottom versus Wright. Option C. Donog versus Stevens. Option D. None of the above. Now we are going for answer of this question, and SBI versus White is the correct answer, and this question selected from the Delhi Judicial Service 2007. Now we are going for next question, question number 59. Doctrine of basic structure was laid down in option A. Keswanand Bharti case, option B. Golaknath case, option C. Menka Gandhi case, and option D. None of the above. So friends, what is the answer of question number 59? Keswanand Bharti case. Doctrine of basic structure was decided in the Keswanand Bharti case. This question also selected from the Delhi Judicial Service 2007. Now, question number 60. Mori Bibi versus Dharmadas Ghosh, a case relating to option A. Partition of property, option B. Divorce, option C. Minors contract, option D. None of these. So, what is the answer of this question? Option C is the correct answer, minors contract. Now, this question selected from the Himachal Pradesh Judicial Service 2007. Now we are going for next question, question number 61. T. Sarita versus Venka Tausau Bahis is a case relating to option A. Partition of property, option B. Conjugal rights, option C. Inheritance, and option D. None of the above. So, what is the answer of this question? B is the correct answer. This question came in Himachal Pradesh Judicial Services 2007. Now we are going for next question. Question number 62. Which one of the following cases is related to offense of rape. A. Vinod Chaturvedi versus State of MP. Option B. Baldev Prasad Singh versus State. Option C. Tukaram versus State. And option D. Sasidhar Purandar Hadej versus State of Karnataka. And what is the correct answer of this question? C is the correct answer. Tukaram versus State. And this question also selected from the Himachal Pradesh Judicial Service 2007.